Most people will work for 40 years and have almost nothing to show for it. Not because they did not work hard enough, not because they did not earn enough, but because nobody ever sat them down and showed them exactly what to do. Step by step. In plain English. Today that changes. In this video, I am going to show you the exact step-by-step roadmap to becoming a millionaire on a completely average American salary. No inheritance. No lucky stock picks. No crypto. No side hustle that makes you rich overnight. Just a real plan. Real math. Real steps that any person in America can follow starting today. And I am going to show you this through the story of two real people, Jamie and Chris. Same average salary. Same city. Same age. Completely different outcomes. One of them retires a millionaire. The other works until 67 with almost nothing saved. The only difference between them is what you are about to learn in this video. Let's go. First, let me give you the number that should wake every single person up. The median household income in America right now is approximately $74,000 per year. That is the middle. Half of America earns above that. Half earns below. And yet, according to the Federal Reserve, the median retirement savings for Americans between 55 and 64 years old is only $134,000. $134,000. After 40 years of working. That is not a retirement. That is 18 months of expenses for most families. That is financial terror dressed up as a retirement account. Most people are one medical bill away from disaster their entire lives. And then they retire directly into that disaster. This does not have to be you, but you have to decide that right now. Meet Jamie. 24 years old. Just started a job paying $58,000 a year. Completely average American salary. Nothing special, no connections, no family money. Just a regular person with a regular job in a regular city. Jamie reads this far and decides to follow every single step in this video. Now meet Chris. Also 24. Also making $58,000 a year. Same job, same city, same everything. Chris watches this video too. But Chris thinks I will start next year when things settle down. Things never settle down. They never do for anyone. Fast forward 35 years. Jamie is a millionaire. Chris is not. Here is exactly what Jamie did. Step 1. Jamie figured out the actual number. Most people have no idea how much money they actually need to retire. They just guess. They say things like, I need a lot, or I need to be comfortable. That is not a number. That is a wish. Jamie sat down and did the real math. The 4% rule is the most proven retirement withdrawal formula in the world. It says you can withdraw 4% of your total retirement savings every single year and statistically never run out of money over a 30-year retirement. It has been tested against every market condition since 1926. It holds up. So to figure out your retirement number, you just work backwards. Multiply your desired annual retirement spending by 25. Jamie wants to spend $50,000 a year in retirement. 50,000 times 25 equals $1.25 million. That is the number. Written down. Specific, real, not a wish anymore. Most people never write down their number. So they never work toward it. You cannot hit a target you cannot see. Write your number down today. That single act changes everything. Step 2. Jamie started immediately. Not next month. Not after the next raise. Immediately. Here is the math that will make your stomach drop. If Jamie invests $300 a month, starting at age 24, and earns the stock market's historical average return of 8% per year, by age 59, Jamie has $1.1 million. If Jamie waits just 5 years and starts at 29 instead, that same $300 a month at 8% grows to only $720,000 by 59. 5 years of waiting. Same monthly investment. $380,000 difference. 5 years costs $380,000. That is $76,000 per year just for procrastinating. Every single month you wait has a price. And that price gets more expensive every month you keep waiting. Chris waited. That decision alone cost Chris hundreds of thousands of dollars before he invested a single cent. Step 3. Jamie used every free dollar the government and employer offered. This is the step most Americans completely ignore. And it is the step that makes the biggest difference fastest. First, Jamie contributed enough to the company 401k to get the full employer match. The employer matched 50% of contributions up to 6% of salary. That means on $58,000, Jamie put in $3,480 per year, and the employer added $1,740 for free. Free money just for showing up and contributing what you were already going to invest anyway. Never ever leave employer match money on the table. That is a 100% instant return on your investment before the market does a single thing. There is no investment on earth that gives you a guaranteed 100% return instantly, except the employer match. Second, Jamie opened a Roth IRA immediately. As of 2024, the contribution limit is $7,000 per year. Every single dollar that grows inside a Roth IRA is completely tax-free at retirement. Not tax-deferred. Completely tax-free forever. Jamie is in a low tax bracket at 24. Paying taxes now, at a low rate, and never paying taxes on those gains again is one of the smartest financial moves any young American can make. Over 35 years, the tax-free compounding inside that Roth IRA alone could save Jamie over $300,000 in taxes. $300,000 that stays in Jamie's account instead of going to the ears. Third, Jamie opened a health savings account. The SAW is the most overlooked wealth-building tool in America. Contributions are tax-deductible. Growth is tax-free. Withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free. 3 separate tax advantages in one account. Jamie invested the SAW money into a simple index fund instead of spending it. Paid small medical bills out of pocket. Let the SAW compound untouched for decades. Over 35 years, that SAW could be worth over $250,000. Tax-free. From an account most Americans never even open. Chris opened none of these accounts. Too complicated. Did not seem urgent. Would do it later. Later never came. Step 4. Jamie chose index funds and never looked back. This step sounds boring. It is supposed to sound boring. Boring is what works. Jamie did not pick individual stocks, did not try to time the market, did not buy cryptocurrency hoping to get rich overnight, did not chase whatever investment was on the news that week. Jamie bought one fund, VT, a total U.S. stock market index fund with an expense ratio of less than 0.04% per year. That means for every $10,000 invested, Jamie pays less than $4 per year in fees. Compare that to the average actively managed mutual fund, which charges around 1% per year. On a portfolio of $500,000, that is $5,000 per year in fees. Every single year. Fees that come directly out of your returns. According to a landmark S&P study over any 15-year period, approximately 92% of actively managed funds underperform a simple index fund. 92%. The professionals with Bloomberg terminals and research teams and decades of experience cannot beat the index most of the time. Jamie does not try to beat the market. Jamie just buys the market. And the market has returned an average of 9 to 10% per year for over 100 years. Through wars, through recessions, through pandemics, through presidential elections, through every crisis anyone ever thought would end everything, it always came back. It always went higher. And Jamie just kept buying through all of it. Buy the index. Hold forever. Never sell in a panic. That is the entire strategy. Step 5. Jamie never touched the money. This sounds obvious. It is not obvious. It is the hardest step for most people. According to a Fidelity study in 2020, the best performing accounts at Fidelity were accounts belonging to people who had forgotten they had them. Forgotten. The investors who completely ignored their accounts outperformed the active investors who checked and adjusted constantly. The market drops 20%, and most people panic sell. They lock in their losses. They wait on the sidelines. They miss the recovery. And the recovery is always where the real money is made. Jamie saw 3 major market crashes over 35 years. The 2008 financial crisis, the 2020 pandemic crash, a brutal correction in 2022. Each time Jamie did not sell a single share. Each time Jamie kept buying. When the market dropped 30%, Jamie did not see a loss. Jamie saw a sale. Cheaper shares that would be worth dramatically more in 10 years. The investor who panics and sells is the only investor who actually loses. Paper losses are not real losses. Selling turns them into real losses. Never sell in a panic. Not once. Not ever. This single rule is worth hundreds of thousands of dollars over a lifetime of investing. Step 6. Jamie raised the savings rate every time income went up. At 24, Jamie saved 15% of take-home pay. By 32, Jamie was saving 22%. By 38, Jamie was saving 28%. Every raise, every bonus, every tax refund. At least 50% went straight into investments before Jamie ever had a chance to spend it. This is how you fight lifestyle inflation, the #1 wealth killer for average income earners in America. Here is what lifestyle inflation actually costs you in real numbers. Every $100 per month you add to your lifestyle, instead of investing, costs you over $90,000 over 30 years at 8% compounding. Every single month. That new car payment. That upgraded apartment. That streaming service you barely use. Each one is a small decision that makes a massive impact over decades. Jamie drove a used Toyota Camry for 11 years. Paid cash. No payment. No interest. No depreciation losses on a new car. The average American car payment right now is $730 per month. Over 35 years of always having a car payment, that is $306,600 in payments alone. If invested instead at 8%, that becomes over $1.1 million. $1 million. For choosing not to have a car payment your entire adult life. The most expensive things in your life are the ones you pay for every single month without thinking about them. Chris got a raise at 30 and immediately upgraded his apartment. Leased a new car, started eating out more. His lifestyle went up with every raise. His savings rate barely moved. He always felt like he needed just a little more before he could really start saving seriously. That feeling never goes away on its own. You have to decide to make it go away. Step 7. Jamie automated everything and made wealth building invisible. The day Jamie got paid, the money moved automatically. No willpower required. No decision-making required. No temptation to spend it first. 3 separate automatic transfers happened every single payday without fail. 401k contribution came out before Jamie ever saw the paycheck. Roth IRA transfer moved on the 1st of every month. Brokerage investment transferred on the 15th. Jamie never had to think about investing. It just happened. In the background. Every single month for 35 years. Automation is not just convenient. It is psychologically powerful. When the money moves before you see it, you adapt to living on what remains. You stop thinking of the invested money as money you could spend. It becomes untouchable. Invisible. Already gone. According to behavioral economics research by Richard Thaler, who won the Nobel Prize in Economics, automatic enrollment in retirement plans increases participation rates from around 40% to over 90%. The same amount of money, the same account, the same benefit, just automated. The difference between automated and manual is the difference between building wealth and spending everything. Make the decision once. Automate it. Never think about it again. Now here is where Jamie lands at age 59. Total invested over 35 years, approximately $144,000 out of pocket. Total portfolio value at 8% average annual return, $1.4 million. $144,000 in. $1.4 million out. That is the power of time. That is the power of compound interest. That is what patience and consistency actually look like in a bank account. Jamie never earned an extraordinary salary, never got rich quick, never took big risks, never got lucky. Jamie just followed 7 simple steps. For 35 years. Without stopping. And now, Jamie is free. Chris at 59 has $112,000 saved. He is going to have to work until he cannot work anymore. He is going to retire into financial stress after 40 years of average income work. Not because he was unlucky. Not because the system failed him. But because he kept waiting for the right moment that never came. Here are the 7 steps, one final time. 1. Figure out your exact retirement number using the 4% rule. Write it down today. 2. Start immediately. Every month you wait has a price. Pay it once and never pay it again. 3. Get every dollar of your employer match. Open your Roth IRA. Open your SAW. Use every tax-advantaged account available to you. 4. Buy simple low-cost index funds. VT or VU. Never try to beat the market. Just buy it. 5. Never sell in a panic. Paper losses are not real losses. The recovery is where the money is made. 6. Raise your savings rate with every raise. Fight lifestyle inflation every single month. Your car and your rent are retirement account decisions. 7. Automate everything. Make wealth building invisible and automatic so it happens whether you think about it or not. The gap between Jamie and Chris was not talent, not luck, not salary. It was 7 decisions. Made consistently. Over time. You can make those same 7 decisions starting today. Drop a comment below and tell me which step you are starting with. I read every single one. And check out my next video right here where I break down exactly what your investments should look like at every age. Because knowing how much to save is only half of the equation. Thank you for being here. Peace.